Hello sa inyong mga gising pa. Gusto ko lang ikwento to and I hope this will encourage you as well. I had this conversation with a person close to me kasi recently. So, ang kwento niya ay she applied for a promotion but she did not get it. Someone else got it. So, medyo sad but actually hindi naman sobrang sad kasi I admired this person's faith din eh. Pero I was encouraging her pa rin during that time. I was telling her that what we measure or what we look at is not merely the result whether you got the promotion or not. Or hindi lang sa promotion, whether you pass the exam or fail, whether natanggap ka sa trabaho o hindi. Whatever your situation is, we don't look at merely on the result. No. One important thing that we look at is if that situation grew your faith. So the question to answer is, did that situation grow your faith? If it did, well, that is a win. Kasi ang titingnan natin in whatever situation we are having is if we are able to please God. And there's no way to please God without faith. So if that situation of yours cause your faith to grow, cause your faith in God to grow, well, that is a win for you. Siyempre, importante sa atin yung result, di ba? Na matanggap ka sa trabaho, makapasa ka, ma-promote ka, di ba? Maging favorable yung result. Di ba? Kaya nga tayo nag-e-effort, di ba? But, ultimately, the question is, did that situation grow your faith in God? Because I believe that is what He wants to happen as well. So I hope whatever your situation is right now, you let God use that as an instrument for Him to grow your faith in Him. That's all. Good night, everyone.